Not making major repairs prior to going on the market could cost you thousands. Let me tell you a story. We had a property about a year ago that unfortunately had suffered a major water leak that became visible in the kitchen ceiling. At the time, the seller wasn't in the position to make the repair. So we went ahead and went to market. We were getting negative feedback from the buyers who were seeing the home. They were associating the stain in the kitchen with being a $30,000 repair, which in actuality, we knew that it wasn't that expensive. So we re-strategized with the seller. We gave them the feedback that we were getting. And in the end, the seller decided to make the repair. It ended up only being a $5,000 repair, which was significantly less than the value that the buyers were putting on this repair. So in the end, rather than buyers taking $30,000 off the list price, they were now willing to give the home exactly what it was worth as far as value because there was no longer a concern. We had completely omitted that. So the lesson here is to give your home every opportunity to shine. We want to give every buyer the need and the want to give your home the value that it's worth rather than deducting from that list price. If you have any questions or want to strategize about putting your home on the market, give me a call. I'm here to help.